Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the sleep check-in to track your sleep quality over time on the Calm application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the third option. Then click on the settings button in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on notifications in the middle and then scroll down and tap on sleep check-in at the bottom of the page. Then you should select when would you like to check in. So select the time and click on the button set time. Then select the days when you would like to get this reminder. Tap on get reminders in the right side down below and then click on the button save settings to update this sleep check-in section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.